If you're looking for an easy way to transfer gas from your vehicle to any recipient or vice versa, change water for the fish tank at your home, or just any liquid, this video is just for you. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Sebabs, and in this video, we're going to look at this portable manual oil extraction pipe. In this video, we're going to show you how it works, basically talk about our experiences with it. So this was ordered on Amazon, and this is exactly how you receive it. Of course, there are different variations, but they're basically all the same. You can also get it on other platforms like AliExpress. It's made of good quality materials, durable and oil proof. You can use it to extract oil, let's just say gas from any car or truck, water, or basically anything liquid. Now, when you get this, it basically comes with two things, just the hose and, well, a pumper ball valve. I was amazed at how simple it is to work with. The end here is where you insert a hose in, and this end is what you actually insert in the gas tank or bucket or whatever you're going to be draining. Something else here that a lot of people don't understand is the ball valve here. This actually is what gets the liquid started. You see, in the old days, we get a garden hose, stick it in a 4-liter, blow on it, start sucking, and most probably end up with gas in your mouth and everything. With a ball valve, there is no problem. This hose only works one way, meaning liquid will just go out in one direction. And that's why you see this arrow right here, indicating the direction of blow of liquid. All you gotta do is squeeze the ball valve. In other words, start pumping, and you'll see the liquid coming through.
So we're gonna go ahead and just make this thing work. The gas I have here is up to here. So you just make sure you dip this until you get to the bottom. Just come back here, see the direction, one way, and you just start squeezing. When you start pumping, the liquid should come out here.
If you start pumping and you stop, but you see the liquid won't keep running, then something is not right. And there are two things to do to solve this. First, you can keep the hose inside of the container, not just on the surface. And the other thing that you can do is your source, where you're going to be transferring your liquid from, make sure it's above where you're transferring the liquid to.
So make sure that it is above where you're going to be transferring your liquid to. If you're transferring from a gas tank, just pump a couple of times. That's it.
Once you get to the point where your recipient is full, just lift up the hose or just pick and put it in another recipient or whatever we're transferring to. If you're transferring from a car tank and the liquid won't keep running even after you stop pumping, then the gas in the tank is at a low level. So it's a super simple, easy way to transfer liquids. Just remember, this hose is not suitable for salt water or corrosive liquids. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the hand pump. If you're interested in knowing more about this, you can click on the link below. I appreciate your time here. We got videos coming to you all the time, daily, every day, or almost every day. And we'd love to hear your thought or ideas and opinions. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.